There we go. I'll play this later, but I'm eating into my 50 prompt cap here. So, all right. So let's look into how we do this. Now, if again, if you have this blurred out, this plus create a GPT, if it's blurred out, that means that you have to go into here, into settings, beta features, and you'll need to, and by the way, I think that the GPTs are going to take the place of plugins. So I don't see where you would enable it here. People are saying you have to enable it here, but I don't see that. So you may have to wait for this, but let's go ahead and look at how to create this. So we're going to go here. We're going to create a new GPT, and I'm going to create a GPT that helps me make sense of ICS standards. So I want to create a GPT that helps me make sense of ICS/OT cybersecurity standards. It will do this by using a combination of knowledge it already has in its knowledge base and documents that I will provide as resources. Okay. This will be a, and you want to give it as much detail, just a hint, give it as much detail as you can in this initial prompt, because it'll continue to ask clarifying questions that's going to eat into your cap.